Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add an order tracking page on Woocommerce. Let's get started. First, go to wordpress.com, log in your account by clicking on this login button on the top right corner, and this action will lead you to your dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Plugins, then click Add Plugin right here on the side menu. Here in the plugin marketplace, type in Advanced Shipment Tracking on the search bar at the left side. Then click on this app right here. Next, in this new tab, click on the Install and Activate button, and after it's done installing, click on the Activate button in the next tab. After activation, your Woocommerce now has a fully operational order tracking system integrated in it. And that is how you can add an order tracking page on Woocommerce. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.